Welcome to the 14th video of ARM processor programming using Kale Mu Vision 3. In this video we will see how we can use nested interrupts. That is, nested means interrupt within an interrupt, or too many interrupts during a single program. So in this we can see initially we have used ASM uh, as in our C program. So what is ASM? ASM is nothing but our assembly codes. This instruction will execute our assembly codes in our C language, uh, which will enable us to increase the speed of our processor, as we know that C program has already assembly language program inside it, so we don't have to make assembly codes inside it. So but if we want to increase the speed, we use as ASM within the brackets our instruction. Okay, moving forward to our nested interrupt loop, we have defined many functions inside it, that is TC0, timer counter 0, initial timer, then delay. I won't explain delay as we have discussed delay too many times earlier, and then external interrupt 1, SRV, and then initializing external interrupt. Okay, first going inside it, we have here edge sensitive mode for external interrupt, which is edge sensitive means when an edge is coming inside signal, it will sense that and raise the edge sensitive. Okay, then it will enable the external interrupt 1 on GPIO 0.14. okay, then we have set interrupt vector in VIC0, and then we have used VIC1 for external interrupt and then enable external interrupt. And moving to our next external interrupt SRV, we have clear external interrupt flag, allowed nested interrupt wait. Here we have called our delay, okay, which will wait for long time. Okay, then we have incremented in interrupt counter, and we have disabled interrupt nesting, and we have acknowledged the interrupt by using this instruction. And moving forward, we can see delay. Then in coming towards our initial timer, as we can see that we have generated 0.1 microsecond counter over here, interrupt and reset on MR0, and timer 0 is enabled, and this will set our this instruction will set our vector in 0, and this instruction will use it for timer 0 interrupt, and the last instruction will enable timer 0 interrupt. Moving forward, TC0, in this we will clear interrupt flag and acknowledge our interrupt to the main program. And moving towards our main program, as we can see, we have first decided our input output direction, port number 1, and to enable, and then we have enabled our external interrupt, and then we have interrupt count changed in this y1 loop, and then we have set our LED output, and then clear LEDs, and we have cleared LEDs, and output of our LED interrupt on count. Okay, it will give output whenever interrupt is given to it, and if the second count is equal to 0, then our bit is cleared, and if it is not, and then it will be set that it will flash light, and or other, in previous case it will turn off the LED. Okay. Thank you for watching.